Oh, whew. Today's been quite the day. It's pretty late now, so welcome to the late night edition of this channel. Tonight, we're gonna be talking about what's in my tech pouch, version 2. Let's cue that intro. Still obsessed. Still not finished with the case I got, so let's move you guys over here. Oh God. Alright, I think it's been almost a year since we last talked about what's in my tech pouch. I've gone over what my tech pouch is at great lengths. It's the Peak Design tech pouch. I love the thing, very compact, yet it has a lot of different nuances about it that's really cool. I think if we compare my 2020 tech pouch to my 2019 tech pouch, we'll find that I've actually slimmed down a little bit. With one more year of using it, being productive, being efficient, that's one more year of knowing exactly what I need, exactly what the job calls for, and not kind of packing extra things that'll just bog me down in the long run. All right, without further ado, let's crack open the daily bag, pull out tonight's main event. 2020 tech pouch. Cracking this thing open, by the way, I won't be going into specifics of the case other than the overview that I just gave you, only because I've kind of beaten the dead horse at this point. If you want to check out a dedicated video on the tech pouch by Peak Design, I'll go ahead and link that right over here. Just wanted to pull you guys aside and tell you that as I was editing this video, we reached 300 subscribers. Just want to take a minute and thank each and every one of you. I started this YouTube journey not too long ago, and the positive reception about what I do on this channel and the videos I put out has been extraordinary. So coming from someone with absolutely 0 subscribers, and with the proliferation of YouTube and the YouTubers that are out there already doing such great things, it's really awesome and sort of fulfilling to see that 300 of y'all are looking forward to my videos each and every week, and I really gotta just thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are the best. I'm doing this for you. All right, back to the video. For my 2020 tech pouch, I've divided it into 2 main parts. I've got my offline and my online. The offline component is comprised of EDC items that I don't carry in my pockets, and I keep them organized here in my tech pouch. I don't want to just toss them in my bag and have them floating around, because when it comes time for me to use one of those items, I won't be able to find it or know where it is readily and easily. As for my online portion, that's all my tech stuff, which is the majority of what's in this pouch. It's your external chargers, it's your cables, it's your USB-C, your USB micro, your extra headphones, that sort of thing. All right, now that I've given away half of what the bag actually comprises of, let's jump right into it. Right off the bat, let's start with portable chargers. The good people at Outxe have sent me their latest portable charger to test out. This is their 10,000 milliamp hour rugged portable charger. What's cool about this is that it comes with a silicone cover that protects the charger from drops and dents that you would otherwise experience during everyday use. What's cool about the silicone cover is that it's removable, so you can clean it. And on top of that, it comes with a loop that you can hook a carabiner onto so that you can hook the charger to your belt loop or your pouch or your ruck whenever you need your hands free. Even without the silicone cover, I think it looks pretty cool with this texture that's etched right into the plastic casing. The only thing I didn't like about the charger is that it charges a little more slowly than its competitors. It charges at a maximum output of 12 watts, whereas its competitors are around the 15 to 18 watt range, depending on whether it's using power delivery or not. Both a USB port and a USB-C port, so it is compatible with most modern day devices. If you're using an iPhone though, you'll probably need a USB to Lightning cable. All in all, a pretty solid charger that'll stand up to tough everyday use in a small compact form factor. Oh, one more thing. As I was editing this video, the good people at Outxe reached out to me and gave me a 15% off discount link. If you guys want to check out the portable charger, go ahead and click the link in the description below to enjoy 15% off. Thanks Outxe for sending me this charger to test out. In order to charge all of my tech accessories, I'm using this wall charger. It's a 2-port USB-C power delivery wall charger by Aukey. What's cool about this is that it's real fast. It charges at a maximum output of 30 watts, and depending on your devices, it must be compatible with charging that fast, but it's good to know that you can charge up to that capacity. What's cool about this one is that the prongs in the back fold in and out for a simple and clean stow. A must-have. Next up, to make the connection between all of these devices and chargers, I've got two types of cables here. Of course, these cables will vary depending on your needs and what type of inputs and outputs your devices require. But for me, it's simple. I've got one cable that's USB-C to USB-C, and the other one is USB-A, the regular USB port, to USB-C. The cable I'm using is the Powerline by Anker. It's a braided cable that has solid, hard plastic connectors on either end, very solid, very durable. This thing has lasted me for a while without the head snapping or without it tangling, so definitely would recommend it. In terms of audio, I'm using the Sony WF-1000 XM3 wireless earbuds. Now, if you're not already part of the Apple ecosystem and using AirPods, I definitely would recommend that you try these for the sake of your own ears. These are the gold standard when it comes to wireless in-ear audio. It's got awesome sound, it's got noise reduction, it's got adaptive noise reduction so that you can hear ambient noises around you while still hearing your tunes. I've also got a Spigen silicone case cover with a carabiner loop on it just for added measure, just because I don't want to spoil the pristine cover that it comes with. That's my audio. I also carry a pair of wired earbuds for backup just in case my Sony WF-1000 XM3s run out of batteries. I just keep this in here just in case. In the central compartment, I just keep a few knickknacks for memory. I have an SD card and a USB drive just in case I need to transfer something last minute at FedEx to scan or copy or what have you, or I run out of memory on my camera while I'm shooting and I use this as a last resort. Never be too prepared. Finally, in my EDC compartment, I've got a few essentials that I don't keep in my pocket. I've got a pen and pad. These are the field notes, and a Uniball slick pen right here. I've got my trusty Nitecore Tip 2 flashlight. If you want to learn more about that flashlight, go ahead and link the video right here. I've got this handy dandy quick deploy paracord bracelet. It's got about 5 feet of paracord in it, just in case there's an emergency or I need to tie something down or strap something in. Got my lighter. That's always fun. It's a Zippo lighter, it's refillable, it's matte black, and it satisfies my fidget needs. I keep it in here for use with my paracord just in case I need to use it, I need to cut it or something like that. I have something to singe the ends of the paracord so that it doesn't fray or become undone. I've got a nice phone stand here by Nite. It's a collapsible phone stand. If I want to prop up my phone, just set this bad boy up on the table and catch the latest videos on YouTube. Finally, I've got the side pocket here that I keep basically a few microfibers. I keep it in a dedicated compartment because I don't want it to get dirty or dirty anything else in the pouch, because later on, if I need to wipe lens or something that's, easily scratchable, I want to make sure that those cloths, those microfibers, are clean. Also got some fluid in here, also refillable. That complements that to make sure my screens are clean. And there you have it, y'all, the 2020 tech pouch in a nutshell, or in a pouch. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys got something out of it. Hopefully you saw something in my tech pouch that is useful enough to incorporate into your own kit. If I could just help one of you guys out with what I've learned in refining my own kit for daily use, I'll be one happy camper. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I release new videos on everyday carry and gear. I will see y'all next time. Remember to live with purpose. Peace. Alright, y'all. I think it's time to call it. I'm gonna use my tech pouch as a pillow. Good night.